how important is protein?
Let me put it this way, that proteins and fat are conditionally essential for us to survive. We cannot survive without protein and fat, or if we deprioritize protein and fat, our health will decline. With carbs, that's not the case. Our body has mechanisms where if we do not eat carbs, we can still sustain with without it. And I believe it's a part of our evolution, because there have been times where carbs were not as readily available to us. So even if we just eat fat and protein in
Protein
the right amount,
and
we
fiber
can fiber, yeah, we can live and also thrive.
thrive.
But just carbs would not do that, because mostly the carbs is maneuvered around giving us energy to do stuff, and also our activity levels have gone way down.
Mm.
So even if you're having carbs and if you're not doing activity in order to utilize those carbs, for a lack of a better term, then it's going to have uh, the similar effect that we just talked about. Like we said, the amount of carbs that we can handle would depend upon the amount of muscle we have and the amount of activity or the magnitude of activity that we can do.
Mm.
So, in other words, if you want to have more carbs in your diet, working out is something that you can consider doing.
Mm.
In my opinion, there are many other reasons to work out rather
Yeah.
than to include carbs. But just from a perspective of eating carbs, doing workout in a way where it is high intensity workout for a shorter duration of time. So resistance and strength training
Mm.
would help a great deal
Mm.
in not giving us an insulin spike and mitigating all the health complications that arise from that. So, along with the 2 points that we talked about, deprioritizing protein and empty calories and westernization of that, I think lack of movement is also something that could be a contributing factor to this.